Your bracket design looks perfect on screen, but the printed part doesn't fit. That's the difference between artistic modeling and engineering CAD. After testing 5 platforms for functional 3D printing in 2026, here's what actually matters. For most makers, Fusion 360 is the clear winner at $680 per year, or free if you're under the hobby revenue limit. You get parametric design that updates your entire model when dimensions change, real thread standards, and integrated toolpaths if you ever need CNC. The timeline feature alone saves hours when clients request changes after you've modeled all the mounting features. SolidWorks remains the industry standard at $4,000, but it's overkill unless you're doing complex assemblies and simulations. FreeCAD gives you parametric modeling for free, though expect stability headaches. And Onshape works entirely in your browser with killer collaboration tools for teams. The key capability you need is constraint-based sketching. It enforces geometric relationships so your parts actually fit together instead of relying on eyeballing dimensions. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.